I come to you sneezing from the studio. Look at this. Well, that's the only... This was meant to be... I was going to like cover it with a blanket. I was going to soundproof the room. But as you can tell, still concrete walls. So, welcome to Sneezing in the Studio. Whoa. Ah. Oh my gosh, wow. That's how far technology has come these days. You can sneeze and the light goes on, and you can sneeze and the light comes back on. Do you like how I'm spinning while sneezing, while vlogging? Isn't that... Woo! Look at this tan. Look at this chest hair. People, thank you so much for watching my videos. Let's see if I can... do I have a sound bite to share? Normally, you know what? Let's see. Hold on. Let's see. Hold on a second. Let me see. You can hold the anchor. You can hold the line. But never answer the other side. It makes a difference when you choose to live, but never holding back the way you live. You can run and never fall, or maybe you might lose it all. It takes someone that's standing tall to say, celebrate today, celebrate today. Don't let it slip away, don't let it get away, don't let it slip away. That feeling in your heart, like something new will start, and it's only gonna spark when you celebrate today. Hey! So, that's a sample for all you beautiful people out there. That's what I've been working on. Voice is a little raspy, just rasping. Love you people. Peace, bye.